Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would be telling you about the testing job opportunities for experience for freshers as well as few of the remote job opportunities. And we have got few of the referral email address wherein you can apply and you can send them an email with the consolidated details so that they can refer you in their company. So the very first job opportunity is with respect to Wipro company, and if you have below skills and you can join immediately, you can share your resume to this particular email address. That is Selenium, at least 4 years, Python, again 4 years, Pytest, robot framework, 4 years, API automation testing, 3 years, and location that they are looking is Hyderabad, Pune. Then UST is also hiring for senior QA engineer and they are hiring for Selenium with Java. Experience required is minimum 5+ years. Location is Trivandrum, Kerala. Again, you have got the referral email address here, or you can also apply at this particular link. Then there is a requirement for OTT testers in Bangalore. So the key details are 24/7 shift and 5 days work from office. Experience in OTT testing, manual testing, streaming, and experience is 3 to 12 years is required. So if you meet this criteria and you are interested, you can share your CV to this particular email address. Techify Solutions Private Limited is looking for QA engineers with 3 to 5 years of experience, and the location is Ahmedabad. Experience 3 to 5 years, and skills is manual testing plus basic automation. You should know, so you can share your CV at this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for QA and test lead. So location is Chennai, or it can be remote. Position type is full time. And this is the name of the company, AstroCure, who is looking for experienced QA and test lead. They are looking for someone who can implement, maintain test strategies, plans, processes, perform comprehensive manual testing, design, develop, and maintain automation test scripts using frameworks such as Selenium, Cypress, or APM. And 5+ years of experience in QA testing with at least 2 years in a lead role is required. So these are the details, and this is the email address wherein you can share your CV. Plus, they have got flexible work options, Chennai or remote, as I was mentioning earlier. Then there is a requirement for freshers in Kolkata. So they are hiring for trainee positions in Salesforce as well as in SAP. So you can send your profile, update profile to this email address. Right. Okay. Then there is a requirement for automation plus performance testing engineer. So job role is automation and the performance test engineer. The notice period is immediate to 15 days. Strong and effective English communication skills to work with global users. 6 to 8+ years of experience in testing is required. 60% automation and 40% in performance testing. Hands-on experience with tools, frameworks, Selenium, UFT, Cucumber, Serenity, all these things are required. So you can share your updated resume to this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for QA engineer Flutter testing, and they are looking for someone who has 1 to 3 years of experience in Flutter mobile, in testing Flutter mobile applications, and hands-on knowledge of SDLC and defect lifecycle. Exposure to Selenium, Catalan, or APM for automation would be a plus point, and you can send your resume to this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for automation tester, and the experience range is 5+, 8+, or 10+ years of experience. Location is Bangalore, Hyderabad, or Chennai. Budget is 13 to 14 lakhs. Number of positions are 5. So these are the details, and you can send your resume to this particular email address. Right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.